Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlisted any video which you published before on YouTube. So very easy, just you need to log in your YouTube studio, then click on content, and here you will see a list of videos. So in case you want to unlisted any video, so in public options you will see this arrow, click here. Now here you will see all options. You can make this video private, unlisted, or members only. So you want to unlisted this video which you published before, it's now publicly available, and you want to unlisted, so set this one, then click on save. So now as we can see, this video is not available now publicly and it's now unlisted video. You can share this video's link to your where you want, but public will not access this video. You can share this link, so whom you share this link, they can access this video. And also you can, again you want to make public, so click here and public, then publish again. Thanks for watching. By the simple steps we can know how to unlisted any YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.